Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I want to talk to you about Uniswap, the new coin added to Binance and other exchanges in the last couple of days. Now, what I'm here to just give out a slight warning. Could this coin skyrocket and go to the moon? Yes, it is possible. I'm not denying that, but the likelihood, the likely scenario is that there's probably going to be some sort of distribution after a large IPO like that, or whatever you want to call it. Um, there's likely that there's going to be a lot of selling. A lot of this was airdropped. A lot of people would have got in early. A lot of people on the know. A lot of exchanges are pumping this with Tether and stuff like that. The likelihood is that there probably should be some sort of sell-off at some point. Now, it will determine how this actually sets up. Now, don't get me wrong, I believe Uni has good potential to go a lot higher in the future, but something like this on Ocean is possible, right? It is possible. We're not ruling that out. Um, it's not going to be identical to this, of course, because if we drop down below these previous lows, this would go to zero because this is down here at 32 cent. So, but what I'm saying is, maybe there may be some sort of similar distribution in here, for example, before a bit of a roll off or roll over, before then maybe going higher. Well, it's just a little warning not to get caught up and too complacent and too much FOMO in this market because a lot of people are getting a lot of FOMO. A lot of people were trying to buy a lot of these coins and they were already up 10x. You know, a lot of this DeFi sector had all done 10x and people were FOMOing thinking it was going to the moon, right? And now they've all dropped 50%. You need to learn to read the chart, guys. Using your emotions and stuff to buy these markets is dangerous. It's just dangerous. I don't care what anybody says. I've seen it over and over and over again, and people get caught with their pants down, because they're letting their emotions get the better of their trading, and it's just not the way you guide yourself through the markets. So all I'm saying here, guys, it's just a slight warning, just to be careful in Uni. If the stock market is going to roll over a bit more, the stimulus plans are not going through and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I'm very bullish on BTC and BTC over the long run, especially. But into the end of the quarter here, there's rebalancing of the books from banks, institutions, hedge funds, and large traders and stuff. People like to take profits at the end of quarters, and we are only 10 days or so away from the end of the quarter. This is why you see sell-offs. Sell-offs are because large institutions are reallocating capital, reorganizing capital, getting ready for a new quarter. At the new quarter, or at the start of the quarter, they will be reallocating capital into the crypto market, right? And this will hopefully prop up the markets, right? In theory, um, if things start to roll over, maybe they'll start selling pretty hard. But it is a period where the real reallocation of capital will happen. So I don't think there's too much going to happen in these markets for 10 days. I think they're going to be very quiet, very choppy. Um, that's from 14 years of watching the markets, guys. And I see this all the time. Now, does anything work 100% of the time in the markets? No, no, definitely it doesn't. But a lot of times, this is what happens coming into the end of the quarter. It can be choppy and not much capital in the markets because all these banks have taken profits and stuff, all these institutions and hedge funds. So I expect some chop, but just be careful. Don't get caught in FOMO on Uni. If you're going to trade it from the chart and trade it with where you know your risk, where you know you're wrong. You just need to be careful. If you need help trading it, um, you can take the 3-day free trial down below. We have a group of amazing members in there. Everybody's improving every single day. We also have $1 million worth of courses, 4,000 courses from banks, institutions, and hedge funds and professional traders alike. It's one of the best resources on the entire internet, and it's continuously growing. We also have a lot of buy and sell alerts in there. If you like alerts, we have a lot of alerts as well. Some people like alerts. Some people don't have time to be studying the markets and improving their trading, or want to become a professional trader or whatever. So we have alerts for that as well. Anyway, guys, um, that's really it here. I want to just put this out and just be careful on Uni. It is a new coin. Now, if I just flick through a couple of these other coins, um, I don't know what coins I'm looking at. Like you can see here, you know, YFFI opened up and there was distribution. Um, Sushi opened up and there was distribution. Right there's initially some sort of holding, but it ends up going into distribution. Val Val done pretty well, right? But it didn't completely pump off the open. It went into consolidation and end up getting a pump. We could we go back and look at Kava? You can see Kava. Not much happened, but these are large moves in this. You get a pump up there, and it's a 50% drop. You need to expect these drops in and around the opening price. So later, yes, these all can do. Look at these astronomical gains, guys. You know, but this is what I'm saying. It's up 16x, and people are trying to be buying this and being completely bullish up here. It's not smart. It's not wise. And people trade with their emotions and not trade the chart. It's an important lesson for people. Um, anyway, guys, that's it. I'm going to leave it there. I'm not sure what this is. I'm just clicking through a few of these, but you can see, a lot of these when they do open up, there can be distribution. That's all I'm saying. It's just a warning. Be careful and do not get caught in FOMO into Uni. If you're trading it to the long side, be careful and manage your risk accordingly. If you need help trading it or any other coin, take the 3-day free trial down below. Hit us up and come on and check us out. We have a group of fantastic members on there. Everybody's very friendly, willing to help everybody. And our goal is to create a group of super traders where the more good eyes on the charts, the more money we all make. So anyway, that's it for the video today, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and take that 3-day free trial. Have a great day.